Wanted to learn how to play the piano, I got some good news for you. There's a new way of learning piano that makes it way easier to learn your favorite songs fast. The easiest way to get started is a little trick where you can learn 4 chords and instantly play hundreds of songs on piano. I'm not kidding you. I've taught it to hundreds of adult beginners successfully, and you can literally learn this thing in one day. If you want to learn it, I got a free online masterclass that details the whole process out step by step. Just comment the word course and I'll send you the free video training.